Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Goomi from Minions and Monsters. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Goomi from Minions and Monsters, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a small little circle, and then we're just going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Then we're going to leave a little bit of space here, and we're going to do that same thing. Let's make a little circle. Then we're going to color in most of it, leaving just that tiny bit white. Now, for his little tentacles that hang down, what we want to do is just begin by drawing a line. So it's going to go down, and we're going to curve it up. We'll make one that's going to go down and up here. And then one that's just going to kind of curve out and then up. Next, we'll do a little curve here and a little curve here for the mouth. And we'll do a little line here and a little line here for some detail. Now, starting here, let's draw a line. We're just going to come out. We're going to make this come up and down, and then we're just going to curve it right back over to here. Now for his arms, let's go ahead and draw a little line that's going to come out here, and a little line that's going to come out here. Let's make a line that's going to come down, and another line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this line in, and we're going to bring this line in. Now for his little hands, let's go ahead and make a little bump here and a little bump here. That'll be the thumbs. Then we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps on here. Same thing here. We'll just do 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps and bring it in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and another little line that's going to come down here. Now for the bottom, we're going to bring this line up and down, and then just right over to here. Now for his toes, we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps, and then same thing here, just 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line here. And then we're going to make a line here and a line here for some detail. And then we'll just make one little line right above here for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Goomi from Minions and Monsters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.